Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Greb's Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Ford Mustang GT Premium. This vehicle has a 5-liter Coyote V8 with 486 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Nice reverse camera. I like this interior. I like the steering wheel a lot, it's cool. And then I believe this one has like an aftermarket exhaust. I might be wrong, but it sounds extremely loud and the exhaust tips look a little different. But we'll take a look at that in a second. So you can change the drive modes here. Normal, sport, track, drag strip, slippery, custom. Let's put it in sport for this test drive. Steering wheel has a flat bottom, which I like. Nice shift paddles. I like the screen as well. I like how it's kind of angled towards the driver a little bit, which is cool. It says Mustang over there. Center console storage. You do have rear seats, however, you can't really, they're pretty small, probably for like kids. You can't really fit an adult back there unless if they're like super short, and you have the front seats really forward. It's finished in this cool blue color. I like the red Brembos, 5.0 badge on the side. I like the way the new Mustang looks. It's a pretty good looking coupe. Yeah, this one sounds pretty insane, that's for sure. And here's the trunk in this car. Well, let's get it out on the road and see how it drives. This thing sounds absolutely insane. So it looks like it's in the gauges in kilometers per hour for whatever reason. That's why I was like, what's going on here? But it also shows the miles per hour there too. Oh my god. This thing sounds so good. That's crazy how good this thing sounds. This car just has so much power. Like, I'm barely just like putting my foot like half throttle and just flies. Like, goodness, it's so powerful. Like, it's like raring to go at any given moment. Look at that. That's insane. But we'll get out on the freeway in a second so we can really test it out. Yeah, with the, yeah, I mean, it has almost 500 horsepower, which is pretty insane. So you definitely have to, you know, be careful with a car like this, that's for sure. That's insane. I cannot believe how good this car sounds. What the heck? That is so awesome, this sound. Oh my goodness. Crazy. What the heck? What an awesome car. I did not know that the newer Mustang GT was like this. This definitely had, like, the 10-speed is really good. Like, this Ford 10-speed is fantastic. And this also comes with a manual too. I wonder how this would feel with a manual. And I'm just, over like the previous generation Mustang, this feels very refined. The interior feels a lot better. Materials feel great. It's pretty awesome, that's for sure. It's very cool car. I can't figure out why I keep saying kilometers per hour. I think it must be like a button or something. That's a little weird. But it shows the miles per hour in the center. So that's why it's just like kind of throwing me off a bit. But yeah, pretty insane car right here. The seats feel really comfortable. The steering wheel is just really nice. It's a really high quality steering wheel, that's for sure. It feels very... the gripping points are really good on this wheel. The leather feels good. It's nice. What? That's so crazy. Yeah, this car definitely is puts a smile on your face, that's for sure. Like, the way it sounds is unbelievable. The amount of power it has on tap with barely any effort at all from the driver is insane. This is just very impressive. Great Mustang right here. I love it. I absolutely love this car. That is so cool. And I like the trim. It's like carbon fiber. It's pretty cool. You do have heated and ventilated seats, as this is a premium, which is good. You have like a nice leather and all that. I mean, while this exhaust sounds absolutely insane, it sounds phenomenal. For me, it's a little bit, for daily driving, it's a little too loud for me. It's just a lot for daily driving. Like, and there's a lot of drone I'm not sure what kind of exhaust this is. I can't figure it out. But it does sound absolutely insane. If you guys were able to make out what kind of exhaust it is, please let me know in the comments below. It sounds phenomenal, 10 on 10 sound for sure. It's just a lot of drone and really loud for daily driving, just for my taste. But obviously everyone has different preferences in terms of exhaust noise and everything like that. But overall, awesome Mustang GT Premium right here. Absolutely love it. Thank you for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome cars like this one.